This is Ducky's part 2, snorkels, airboxes, and roof racks.
Yeah. Mention my name one time at the wrong time online, then I might enter. Don't butt me in the flesh if you're just a pretender and not a contender. When I step in the place, back of the rave or on stage, I'm still the center. Just got a brown team with a big back, came down from Leicester, Efter. Yo, she wanna ride on me like she ride on Vespa. She loving my wave, she loving the hills, she loves the Northwester. Gave 3 strokes, put her in a cab, then send her back like Nesta. Please don't screw face me, car bro, I don't appreciate that gesture. Some funny man, all of them slender, tender. Please just surrender. All of them fake like wrestler, Alexa.
As you saw last time, we were scanning the rails. Since then, we have put both snorkels on, put the roof rack on. I've gotten a whole heap of steady lights to try and fit out everything, which would be really cool. It's gonna light up like a Christmas tree. Designed knuckle lights for these. And also, I've got the first version of the sliders that we're playing with at the moment. So we're playing with the brackets on the NextGen Raptor. I don't like how this is set up, so we're just gonna make new brackets and make it fit what we need. See, that's what you need. Stanley, you're my boy. I hate this ruler. It has inches. I don't use inches. I've never used inches. Oh, maybe. I use the sometimes. You with me? You with me? All right, cool. We're gonna go through. I'm gonna bend up just the bottom. And I'm gonna test fit that, get our other bracket done. Then we can build from the bottom up, like you do in fabricating or building houses. Hey, Benny. So now we've got our base plate, we work everything off that, and we know that that's our bottom height, we've got our top height, and everything in between, you know it's gonna work. Like that. Like that. That's a little trick for you. If you don't want it to fall in, put a little bit of wire across it, and it holds it up. Cut it, pressed it, here we are. This never happens. Usually there's 10 different variations of it. Obviously this isn't going to be the final product, but there's only a few tweaks here and there before it is the final. I have a bin full of things I've thrown away because I wasn't happy with. So, new year, new me. It's the morning now. We're all refreshed, we're ready to go. So, version 2 of the bracket and have a look at the airbox a little bit more. And we're going to double check, see if it works, see if we need to tweak any more, something we missed. That's the life, mate. That's fabrication life. Always something different. I love these so much. Imagine turning a spanner like a peasant. We've got it all mocked up, just a few alterations and it's ready for powder coat. We'll show you the final product in the next episode. But now it's time to move on to the sliders. So we were here late last night to mock up our sliders and we came in early in the morning as well. So we were hitting it hard and putting in the hours because we are super excited to get it done. What we have here is our little concept from last night. We've got a 50 by 50 by 3 SHS with a 3mm outer, and then we've got a top plate that goes on top of it in stainless, so there'll be a good contrast between the black and the stainless. I'm thinking I might even put a plate underneath, so all you see is the stainless and then black through the M's. Did you know this is the MW pattern over and over and over? That's our logo all over. You didn't, did you? No, you do. I think that looks sick. So we're not going to be using SHS for the off takes. We will be using a 6mm folded bit of laser cut sheet. We just wanted to get the distance and everything before so, and didn't see the point in just wasting material because we're all about sustainability here. This is the idea I came up with, being from a boilermaking background. We've got a flat plate on a flat plate. Get a fillet around there, get a fillet around there. This is about the strongest setup that you can have. This is the sort of look we're going for. And I haven't really seen anything else like this on the market. And I'm really excited to show you guys what we can do. On the fence about putting a black backing on it, but what do you reckon? Comment below, tell me if you think we should have a backing or just leave it open, because we're open to suggestions. So if you're wondering why we have a detachable top, it's so that we can put some steady lights in it. They're going to be recessed so they are completely flush with the slider itself, so you don't have to worry about it getting caught on anything. And then we've got the detachable top, as you've seen, so that you can have a friendly chat with your auto electrician, and there's going to be no whinging and no excuses. They're going to pop in up here. They're actually in a little bit, which protects them. We'll have the option to have it with or without. Without, we'll have the circles. With, we'll have the cutout for these. We can also chuck them in for you. We're not going to wire them, but they can be in there for you. That's it for this week's episode. We got some cool stuff coming up. I can't wait to show you all. We've been busy little bees. The boys have been going hard, and I love every single one of them. We can't do this without them.